Okay, so when you consider liposuction, we wanna make sure na yung procedure or yung area na ipapaliposuction is bagay sa inyo. Baka mamaya magbabawas tayo ng braso lang. Ang laki pala ng likod nyo, edi magmumukha naman tayong T-Rex nun. So ang nangyayari, we actually want to see you so we can assess you better. Therefore, we can make an informed decision kung ano ba talaga yung mga dapat natin paliposuction. Hindi porke pwede liposuction dapat i-liposuction. Dapat ang goal natin is ano yung babagay sa'yo, ano yung magiging enhancement na makikita natin after we do that procedure. So it's a case-to-case basis. Syempre, no two people are the same. So we want to see you. If you happen to be in the area,